Hey everybody, it's Carrie with Seed to Spoon. We are going to be giving away a $50 seed shopping spree through our app with myself and Dale. So make sure you stay tuned to find out how to enter. Last month, we gave away a $50 seed shopping spree to Emma, and we all met together and did some shopping. In case you missed that video, it is posted on our YouTube channel, and I will be putting out some clips from that all weekend long. So make sure that you watch those and take a look at what you could be winning. So starting right now, you can post on this video, tell me what you would want to see most, what seeds you would be loving to go shopping for, or any questions that you may have for us. And then all weekend long, this contest is going to be running, so make sure that you are following our videos and commenting, and you can enter to win up to 1 comment per video. And then next week on Monday, I will be posting who the winner is, and the lucky winner will get to meet with myself and Dale, and we will be going shopping and finding some great seeds for you and answering any questions that you may have. And it should be a really, really fun event. So make sure that you check out the description down below for all of the terms and conditions, all of that. And this will be a recorded event with you and me and probably Ellie as well. I'm sure Ellie is going to be joining us too. If you are not familiar with who Ellie is, you definitely need to be checking up on our videos then. This should be a super fun event, and I am so excited to go shopping again with a lucky winner. And I will be announcing the lucky winner on a video on Monday, so make sure that you are subscribed to our channel, and that way you can get a notification whenever I post that winner. Thank you so much for watching, everybody. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comment section, and I will get back with you. See y'all later.